What is up, y'all? Happy Monday. Hope y'all are ready to kill it this week. Wanted to share a quick story. So you can see I'm out here at a construction site. Crazy enough, this is actually going to be the spot for my family and I's next home. We're building a house, but I want to take y'all back about 6 years. So I purchased this property right here, and I had this vision. I wanted to put a modern, contemporary style house on this property. So 6 years ago, I didn't know how I was going to do it. I didn't have many resources. I didn't really know anything about building, but I had a vision. Okay. And so what's crazy is I would pull up down this road every day, and I would literally visualize a house on this property. Fast forward back to now, 6 years, literally we're building the exact house, but almost better than I visualized on this land. And it's just, it blows my mind. I tell you that because number one, I'm excited about my house. And number two, as you go through your week, I want you to remember that your thoughts turn to things. What you put your attention on grows. And when it feels like you're doing everything, you're working hard, you're taking action, but you're not getting the results, remember, all you have to do is tighten up your focus. Start to feel good. Find a better feeling thought, and let's kill it this week, y'all. Let's do it. Let's make something happen. Remember, it starts here, and then it ends up in the physical.